Hi guys, sorry it's been a while since I've done a video, but we got a lot of changes happening, so I've been very busy. I had to get another job when I got this long story, so I had to moved up to Georgia. Now I'm back in Florida. We're downsizing a lot, so you'll see a lot of videos on new stuff to us and changes that we're making, new projects that I'm starting up. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share, all that good crap. Okay, we really appreciate it. We appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel. And further notice, here we go. As you read in the thumbnails, we got another camper. Like I said, we're downsizing, bringing our stuff down so we can travel more, getting more littler places. So, further ado, check out our video right after this. See you right back. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a Forest River Rpod. It is, the model number is 192. We have officially made a complete circle. We started with a Rpod 180, now we're all the way back around to a Rpod 192. We like Rpods, we look for them when we're driving. They're inexpensive. If you get the right model in the right year, they're built pretty good for the price. As you can tell, we got this one used. It's a 2021. And as you can tell, as the transport guy was bringing it home yesterday, he had a blowout, so he had to put the spare on. Now these people have done some amazing things inside. I'm glad we got this one. It looked like they took really good care of it. And I'll show you some of the modifications that they did. First of all, you can tell they put a box on the front. I got some things coming. I got a cover to go over that electric jack, because you should never leave it exposed. One thing we like about this, it does not have a slide, but it is very roomy inside. And there is plenty of videos on Rpod 192, but I want you to watch mine because we have, like I said, a lot of... Oh, that's locked. I got a key to open that. I haven't opened it. We just got it yesterday. Of course, fresh water, city water connection. Drain underneath. Where you fill up your water for your tank. The vent above the stove. Vent behind the refrigerator. You know, the normal stuff. But like I said, it does not have a slide. So when I'm parking in a campground, I can get farther over because I don't have to worry about hitting anything with a slide when I open it. 30 amp satellite. Another thing I like about this one versus our Imagine we just had is this one only has the one sewer connection, and I'm gonna have to get some muffler brackets and bring that up a little higher. So I got things I want to do. I got to put some bug screens on, keep the bugs off. Here's the back. Came with a camera, but I don't know if we got the monitor with it. I gotta find out that. They had stickers all over this thing. Here's the back of the hot water heater. Here's the other side, black tank flush, shower hose, speakers outside, 110. There's our spare. I actually prefer the black rims better, actually, to be honest with you. And I like this door. It's different. It's glass. But let's show you something they did that I was going to do. So I'm glad I don't have to. They put some kind of screen, or it's like a leather thing over the window, which is awesome. I was going to get one of those things to put over it, so that's good. So come on in. It is done with Asdel, which is supposed to be better outside, so it won't mildew or anything. So you come in, first thing you see is a little shoe thing here, and then a doggy door. You got your normal fire extinguisher. Super exciting, right, guys? But it's not very big. It won't take very long to go through this. Up here you got all your switches for your awning, your LED porch light, interior light, which I'll turn on. It is wired for solar. Eventually we will get that, because when our refrigerator dies, I want a 12-volt refrigerator. This is a Murphy bed, as you can tell. But here's the very first mod they did. They put shelves, fixed shelves in there, which is awesome. Sorry about my hands. I got dirty. I was doing stuff. So, shelves on this side. It is a Murphy bed. I'll show you that at the end. And there is a light switch. You can turn the light on in there, or turn it off. Only on the driver's side. Here's where you check out your tanks, and you got an outlet, air conditioning, heat, furnace. Your air conditioning is above. It's not ducted AC. No, not nice and fancy. Here's the sink. It's just a round sink. I like it though. It's awesome. I think it's awesome. You got your vent hood. You got storage under here. We're going to get some baskets. As you see my stuff, I did a bunch of measuring. Convection oven. A monoxide poisoner thing. Vent. More storage on top. There is storage underneath. That is a jackknife sofa, which will come down to let the Murphy down. And that is storage underneath. Quite a bit, actually. Storage over there underneath there. Storage under here. Storage above there. 12-volt TV. Here's another mod they did. This just had a wall with the stereo on it, and they took it out and put the stereo in, a little cubby on top, and put a DVD player in there. Sweet, right, dudes? Here's another mod they did. Shelves. All the way across. How freaking awesome is that? I mean, all this stuff I don't have to do, guys. And they did an awesome job. I mean, look at that underneath. They painted it to match everything. 12-volt fridge. 12-volt TV. Here's our fridge. Nor cold, which is better in my opinion than domestic. It is cold. I just checked it. It's plugged in. 2-burner stove. So we're gonna do we're gonna do our own modifications. You'll have to stay and watch it. You got your foot thing right here. My wife loves that. Now here's my favorite thing of all that they did that I don't have to do. This is amazing. I mean, truly, truly amazing. This is the pantry. But check out what they did. They put freaking drawers in here, dude. Look at that crap. Is that not freaking awesome? Look at it. I don't want to get them dirty. Painted to match. You would think this was factory. All the way down. How cool is that? Here's one. That's probably where we'll put silverware and stuff. A little bit smaller. Then they left this all open for like tall stuff. Oh, hi Fanny. Fanny came to see Daddy. Say hi, Fanny. Say hi, Fanny. Say hi. Oh, there's Luna. Hi guys, you come to see Daddy in the new camper? See what he's up to. Sorry, and I couldn't tell you, but there's storage underneath the dinette. We have a peach and trim, but nobody seems to know where it went. So we're gonna just set that up there for now. So this is the shower. Let me get in here and show it to you. Got a skylight. It is not cracked. I checked everything, checked the hot water. Everything works good. We're gonna get a curtain for this. I measured it, but they did put up some hooks and something for the broom, which is good. I don't know if I like it where it's at, but can always move it. Sink is little. I need a medicine cabinet. I'll have to look for something like. We're probably going to take down all these balances and replace the window shades. Not a big fan of these window shades. Probably not a big fan because I can't get them down. But they're those ones that move up and down. Those got the little wire on it. Not a big fan of those. I like the black shades. We only got 3 windows, so storage up there. I mean, storage galore. Here's something else they did. This used to just be empty. They put 2 shelves in here. How freaking awesome is that? Right, guys? That's, I mean, now this had a shelf in it from the factory. But look at the, you can't tell. It's amazing. They did an awesome job, whoever did it. So, plenty of room and storage in this little bitty sucker. Let me put the self-adhesive toilet paper roll. So that's, told you it wouldn't take long. Well, let me show you the Murphy bed. Okay, hang on a second. Come right back. Don't go anywhere. Magic! Ta-da! Just like magic. And there's the bed. We already ordered a memory foam mattress. It is a traditional queen size, so it can take queen size sheets. And even with it down, look at how much room you got. Plenty of room to walk out. Look at that. Plenty of room to walk around it. There's storage on the sides. You got a window in the back, or front, I should say. And they actually put a cover over the outside with Velcro, so when they're parked, you can put it up. So you don't have to have that up all the time. Yep. So that's our Rpod 192. As I make changes to it, I will post. Like I said, we just got it yesterday. We're waiting on them to figure out what they're going to do about our spare tire. Hopefully they're going to replace it. I'm going to change both of them to Goodyear Endurance tires. So, nothing special, but I mean a lot of modifications. And if you're looking for a little two-person camper or one-person camper, I'll tell you what, this little sucker has a lot of storage inside. You wouldn't think it does. And like I said, it's less than 4,000 pounds, so it can be towed pretty much by anything. It will be towed by something I just purchased 2 weeks ago. You'll have to wait to see that. That's going to be all separate stuff on the channel. So I hope you like it. I'm spinning you guys around. So it's a cute little camper. I mean, this is all we need, something for the weekends, traveling. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I apologize again, I haven't been putting up videos. I've gone through a lot of stuff, personal stuff, other stuff, you know, life. Everybody goes through it. Even you guys go through it. But we do appreciate everyone who watches our videos and sticks with our channel and supports our channel. So again, it's awesome video coming out on this. It is the Bigfoot expedition up in Georgia. Pretty cool. So stick tuned, stay tuned, stick around. Stick tuned. Stick tuned. I like that actually. Stick tuned. Stay tuned and you will see more videos. Until then, I will see you around the campfire. Bye guys.